Welcome back to Easy Friday. Our sign language interpreter is Brian Moraru. Now, Acting Inspector General of Police Gilbert Masengeli has been sentenced to 6 months in prison for contempt of court.
Well, the court found him guilty for snubbing several court summons.
The acting IG was required to appear in court to explain the circumstances surrounding the disappearance of an activist, Bob Njagi, and two brothers who were abducted on the 19th of August during the anti-government protests in Kitengela.
Well, that story begins our coverage of Easy Friday tonight.
Acting Inspector General of Police Gilbert Masengeli has found himself on the wrong side of the law after Justice Lawrence Mugambi slapped him with a 6-month jail term. The court further ordered Masengeli to submit himself to the Commissioner General of Prisons and serve the prison sentence.
Mr. Masengeli is ordered to submit himself to the Commissioner General of Kenya Prisons to ensure that he is to be committed to a prison facility to commence serving sentence of the imprisonment imposed.
Judge Mugambi has ruled that in the event that Masengeli fails to surrender himself to prison, Interior Cabinet Secretary Kithure Kindiki must take steps to ensure he is committed to the prison facility.
Orders and decisions issued by a court bind all persons to whom and organs of state to which they apply, and no person or organ of the state may interfere in any manner with the function of the courts. It follows from this that disobedience towards court orders or decisions risks rendering our courts impotent and judicial authority a mere mockery.
He has, however, given the option of avoiding the sentence if he presents himself to court within the next 7 days.
The Acting Inspector General of Police can redeem himself and comply by availing himself before this court in person to answer to the issues he has been avoiding. In default, the sentence shall automatically become effective.
Masengeli was required to appear in court to explain the circumstances surrounding the disappearance of 3 missing persons who were allegedly abducted a month ago in Kitengela. The judge also discharged the head of VIP unit, Lazarus Opicho, who he had summoned to appear in court to explain why he had called his bodyguard and driver last weekend to inquire on his whereabouts. Opicho told Justice Mugambi that he was not calling them in bad faith, but rather wanted to know whether he is safe or needs more security. While discharging him, Mugambi warned him against using proxies to reach him and instead call him directly.
It is a win for the rule of law, and as the Law Society of Kenya, we are proud that this case will set a precedent for all public officers who hold those offices on behalf of the Kenyan people, that they have a duty to comply with court orders.